Excitement is building with every new phase of the College of Engineering expansion project. This spring, our construction team finished framing the building and began installing the exterior walls. The expansion's facade is made from precast panels that were faced with stone off-site, making the installation process swift and efficient. Before long, the exterior will largely match the beautiful renderings we've long been admiring. This expansion will usher in a new era for the college, with opportunities to also expand our innovation, collaboration, and cross-disciplinary learning. We can't wait for you to join us in fall of 2024 as we celebrate the new home of Villanova Engineering.